Hi everyone, my name is Nilbert and I am currently pursuing Diploma in Mechanical Engineering from LJ Polytechnic. As we know, nowadays temperature is being constant high, so we use air conditioner to stay safe from the high temperature. But yes, we have also heard about the several blasts in air conditioners. Let's see what are the reasons behind those blasts. Reasons are the blockage in the exhaust of air conditioners, poor maintenance, poor cleanliness, and yes, the also reason is using bad material of the wire. And yes, we can't forget that when we change the gas, we should always refill the gas which was previously prescribed by the company.
Hey guys, my name is Vedant Goyal and I am pursuing mechanical engineering from LJ Polytechnic. So, as my friend Neil said, air conditioners catching up fire is a bit of an issue nowadays. So, let's talk about it and let's see how can we prevent such utilities. While using the AC for 1 to 2 hours continuously, we should stop it for 7 to 10 minutes when the temperature is 45 to 50 degrees outside. We should sprinkle water on the AC exhaust to cool it up, but while doing so, we should take care of electricity. The electric supply should be cut off. If you are using your AC in turbo mode, kindly shift to normal mode so it prevents the AC overheating and prevents the load on condenser. The fourth thing to take care of while installing a new AC, one should select a good quality of MCB or plug socket. When the gas of the AC is over, we should always refill the gas which was previously filled by the company. For example, R22, R32 or R410A, because different companies use different gas for different cooling properties. The last but not the least step, when your AC is caught into fire, never try to use water. Try to use fire extinguisher instead. So guys, this was precautions you can take to prevent your AC catching fire or blast, and use your AC in a correct way and be safe.